Hi! Welcome to Artiz soap channel. I'm Esther Cheng, the soap teacher, and you are?
I'm me, I'm the clay teacher.
So today we're going to work together to make a video on how we make the Rilakkuma cinnamon and donut. Yeah, so this is the project I'm going to show you in the video.
Hi, this is Artiz soap clay recipe. We're gonna use this soap clay to make the Rilakkuma project. So now we prepared to make cinnamon roll. We use a roller to make it flat. Now we can roll it like cinnamon bun. You can reshape the side if you think that the surface is uneven. Now we start to make Rilakkuma bear. Now we start to make donut. We use silicone mold to mold the donut and apply a layer of baby powder. This is a pre-mixed mica. We mix yellow, orange, brown, and red in order to get this color. We will apply this mix of color onto the donut and cinnamon roll in order to make it look more like dessert. Here we only use cinnamon powder for the cinnamon roll. Here we use crystal glass soap as melt and pour soap. We melt it in order to add cinnamon powder into the soap. So we will mix well the soap and cinnamon powder together and drip it onto the soap. The crystal glass soap or melt and pour soap drip on the donut or cinnamon roll to create a glazed topping on the soap.
If you like our video, remember to subscribe our video. Thank you for watching.